Hi everybody, I'm Gayatri Das. It's my pleasure to be with you. I'm a 40-year disciple of Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, and we are going to be discussing at Divine Fire the Bhagavad Gita and some of the Vedic literature. We're going to be talking about Karma Yoga, we're going to be talking about Jnana Yoga, we're going to discuss Ashtanga Yoga, and ultimately we're going to be discussing Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is the science of love and devotion for the Supreme and for all living entities. So it should be a very good experience for everybody. Over the years, we've found so many people who don't really know that yoga ends up at a platform of love and devotion. So in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna speaks 5,000 years ago about the yoga process. We're going to be discussing those topics, and I would be very happy to see everybody there. I've got 3 different classes and a kirtan that we'll be doing on Friday, so please show up. We'd love to have you. Can't wait to see you at Divine Fire. That would be September the 30th through October the 2nd. Can't wait to see you there. Namaste.